Dear learners, welcome to EnglishVinglish. Warm up. Identifying verb forms. Identify the 5 verb forms: present, past, past participle, present participle, verb plus ing, and infinitive 2 plus verb of the following underlined words. Shakib is a Bangladeshi sportsman. He plays cricket. He likes playing the sport very much. It was his dream to be a cricketer from his childhood. When he was a schoolboy, he played cricket almost every day. He has been performing well from the first match of his career. He always wants to perform better. His teammates are always inspired by his performance. You can pause the video and write the answers. Let's check the answers. Shakib is present, plays present, likes present, playing present participle, was past, to be infinitive, played past, has present, been past participle, performing present participle, that is verb plus ing, wants present, to perform 2 plus verb infinitive, are present, inspired past participle. Learning objectives. You are going to learn about finite and non-finite verbs, about phrase and clause, and then the definitions and the structures of simple, complex, and compound sentences. Finite and non-finite verbs. He liked playing hockey, but he wants to play cricket as it has become popular. Liked past, playing verb plus ing, present participle, wants present, to play 2 plus verb infinitive, has present, become past participle. Present and past forms are finite verbs as they show tense. Present participle, verb plus ing, past participle, and infinitive 2 plus verb are non-finite verbs as it doesn't show tense and cannot work without finite verbs. Write and wrote are finite verbs. Written, writing, to write are non-finite verbs. In the same way, am, is, or was, were are finite verbs. Been, being, to be are non-finite. Phrase and clause. In spite of playing well, he got nothing. Playing, verb plus ing, present participle, non-finite verb. Got, finite verb, past tense. In spite of playing well is a phrase. He got nothing is a clause. I bought a shirt red in color. Bought, past tense, finite verb. Red in color, no verb. I bought a shirt is a clause. Red in color, as there is no verb here, it's a phrase. Phrase is a group of words which has either no verb or non-finite verb, present participle, past participle, or infinitive, but must not have any finite verb, present and past. It shows no tense. On the other hand, clause is also a group of words which must have a finite verb, present or past, and shows tense. It may also have non-finite verb following the finite verb. Clause. Though he played well, he got nothing. Both are finite verb. Both are clauses. But the first one is a subordinate clause as it has a subordinating conjunction though. But the next part can stand as a sentence. He got nothing. Principal clause expresses complete meaning and stands as a sentence. He got nothing. Subordinate clause cannot express complete meaning and cannot stand as a sentence as it depends on a principal clause. In addition, it has subordinating conjunction. For example, though he played well. Though he played well cannot express complete meaning, cannot stand as a sentence, and depends on the principal clause. He got nothing, and it has a subordinating conjunction, that is though. Exercise. Now, identify phrase, principal clause and subordinate clause of the underlined group of words in the following sentences. Number 1 is done for you. I missed the phone call as I was busy. The first part is a principal clause. As I was busy is subordinate clause. You have to answer from number 2 to 6. You can pause the video and write the answers. Let's check the answers. The answers. Number 2. The boy had come to the class before the teacher entered. The first part is a principal clause. The next one is a subordinate. Here is a subordinating conjunction before. Number 3. I have a car which is white in color. Principal clause and subordinate clause. The subordinating conjunction is which. Number 4. I bought a green t-shirt. It's a principal clause. Number 5. I have a t-shirt red in color. The first part is a principal clause and the next one is a phrase. Number 6. He worked regularly but he got no reward. Both are principal clauses and there is a coordinating conjunction, that is but. Sentence anatomy. In spite of playing well, he got nothing. Playing, verb plus ing, non-finite verb, got, past tense finite verb. So the first part is a phrase and the next one is a principal clause. Though he played well, he got nothing. Both are finite verbs and both are clause, but the first part is a subordinate clause as it has a subordinating conjunction though. And the third sentence, he played well but he got nothing. Both are finite verbs and both are principal clauses and there is a coordinating conjunction but. The sentences are, the first one is a simple sentence which has a phrase along with a principal clause. The complex sentence has a subordinate clause along with principal clause and the compound sentence has two principal clause. Simple sentence. In spite of playing well, he got nothing. Phrase and principal clause. Simple sentence has only one principal clause, no other clause, but may have one or one more phrase. Complex sentence. Though he played well, he got nothing. Subordinate clause and then principal clause. Complex sentence has only one principal clause, one or one more subordinate clause with subordinating conjunctions like as, since, because, though, although, if, unless, before, after, till, until, so that and WH words, etc. And may have one or one more phrase. Compound sentence. He played well but he got nothing. Both are principal clauses. Compound sentence has one more principal clause with coordinating conjunctions like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Fanboys, the sticky word, but may have one or one more phrase. So phrases are like potatoes which you can use in every type of curries. It may be a simple, complex or compound. Exercise. Identify simple, complex and compound sentences. Number 1 to 10. You can pause the video and write the answer. Let's check the answers. Number 1, complex. Number 2, complex. 3, simple. 4, simple. 5, complex. Compound. 6, complex. 7, complex. 8, simple. 9, compound. 10, simple. Thank you.